Indian almond, also known as Terminalia Catappa, sea almond, or ketapang, is a plant rich in natural medicines. Both the leaves and nuts are used for health. Traditional medicine has used this plant for centuries. Today, let's explore its amazing health benefits one by one. 1. Supports heart health. Indian almond nuts contain healthy fats such as omega-3 and omega-6. These fats help lower bad cholesterol, increase good cholesterol, improve blood circulation. This reduces the risk of heart block and stroke. 2. Helps control blood sugar. Indian almond leaves contain compounds that slow down sugar absorption, improve insulin sensitivity. This makes it helpful for diabetes management. Tip: many people drink Indian almond leaf tea for sugar control. 3. Strong anti-inflammatory properties. If you suffer from body pain, joint pain, swelling, Indian almond leaf contains flavonoids and tannins which help reduce inflammation naturally. 4. Boosts immunity. The plant is rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants fight free radicals, toxins. This helps the body stay stronger against infections. 5. Improves liver health. Traditional medicine uses Indian almond leaf tea to cleanse the liver. It helps remove toxins, prevents fatty liver buildup. This keeps the liver functioning well. 6. Good for skin and hair. Oil extracted from Indian almond seeds moisturizes skin, prevents wrinkles, reduces dandruff, strengthens hair roots. It works as a natural beauty enhancer. 7. Supports digestive health. The tree contains natural compounds that improve digestion, reduce stomach acidity, prevent constipation. How to use leaf tea. Boil 3 to 4 dried leaves in water and drink once or twice a day. Nuts. Eat 5 to 10 nuts per day like normal almonds. Oil. Apply on hair or skin once daily. Precautions. Don't consume in very large quantities. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a doctor. If you have kidney disease, avoid excessive nut intake. Thanks for watching.